For this video, we're going to talk about the law of sines, and we're going to talk about having a triangle with any two angles and a side. We're going to talk about angle, side, angle in this video. In the previous video, we talked about angle, angle, side. We did an example, and for this one, we're going to do angle, side, angle. Okay, so we're going to specifically talk about this one. On another video, we will discuss this second case. Okay, here's the example. You are given that triangle ABC has the following information. It tells you that the measure of angle A is equal to 18 degrees, that the measure of angle C is equal to 14 degrees, and that side B is equal to 9.5. So let's grab a triangle and let's draw this triangle and label all the sides. Here's your triangle. Now let's label the information that they gave us. I'm going to start A here, B here, and C here. Okay? Measure of angle A is 18 degrees. 18. Measure of angle C, 14 degrees. And side B, which is the side directly across angle B, this is B, 9.5. This would be side A, the side directly across angle A, and this would be side C, the side directly across angle C. Okay? Now the first thing you notice here is I have angle, side, angle. So that means I can use the law of sines. The next thing you notice is I have two angles, I can find the third angle. So I can find very easily the measure of angle B. That equals 180 minus the sum of the angles that are given, 14 plus 18. So that's 180 minus 32, which equals 148 degrees. Okay, so the measure of angle B is equal to 148. And I forgot to tell you, but for this example also we're going to solve the triangle, which means find everything that's missing. Any angle, any sides that are missing, you need to find. Okay, so this angle we just found is 148, and remember, these drawings are not to scale. This doesn't look like an obtuse angle, but it is. Okay, so now we can go ahead and find the missing sides. Let's start with side A. I'm going to say that A sine of angle A is equal to what? I'm going to equal this to something where I have both values to. And the only one here is B. I have both angle B and side B. So that's the one I'm going to use. B sine of B. Okay? And let's fill in our information. A sine of angle A would be the sine of 18 degrees equal to B. B is 9.5 sine of angle B, which would be sine of 148. To solve for A, we cross multiply here. A is equal to 9.5 times the sine of 18 divided by the sine of 148. Okay? And A is equal to 5.53. And that's the answer for A. Remember to have your calculator in degree mode, not in radian mode. So we found A. Now let's go ahead and use the same technique to find C. For C, I'm going to write C sine of C equal to b sine of b. Okay, I like to use the original values if possible so that they're more precise. I don't like to use the values that I find because I've truncated these answers. So this is not a precise answer, okay? So C, sine of angle C, which is the sine of 14 degrees, has to be equal to B, which is 9.5, over the sine of 148. Again, cross multiply, and C will equal 9.5 times the sine of 14 degrees divided by the sine of 148. And that gives you C equal to 4.33. And there you have it. Now notice I didn't give you units here. If I had said these were feet, then all your answers must be accompanied by the unit feet, okay? Since I didn't give you any units, let's just say units. 5 and 4 units, and this is units. Okay, so be careful with that. I hope this helps. For our next video, we're going to discuss the law of sines when we have two sides and an angle opposite one of the sides. I'll see you in the next video.